Facebook affiliate marketing for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can begin affiliate marketing on Facebook. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you might be wondering, hey, Facebook is outdated. Who even uses Facebook anymore? Well, Facebook is still one of the largest social media platforms out there. So Facebook has gigantic reach. And if you feel like Facebook is outdated, then you're not realizing the potential of Facebook, because Facebook is something that a lot of people are still using. People that have created Facebook accounts, they never delete their Facebook accounts, and people check their Facebook. It really doesn't matter if it's not growing as fast as it was. As a platform to promote affiliates, Facebook is still one of the best choices that you can opt for. Well, after you understand the importance of using Facebook, how do you actually get affiliates and how can you actually promote them on Facebook? Well, Facebook is amazing. They have also launched their Meta Suite where you can, promote your businesses and run like a significant amount of your business from the Meta Suite on Facebook. You can see I have planners, posts and stories, inboxes, notifications, ads, insights, and all other tools available directly from Facebook. So Facebook is actually encouraging you to run your business on their platform. Now, how do you get affiliates and what kind of affiliates can you promote on Facebook? Well, if you want physical products, you can sign up for Amazon Associates and start earning commissions from that. If you want digital products or other kinds of products, you can go on to ClickBank, you can go on to CPA Lead, you can go on to Warrior Plus, and all of these are great platforms for you to generate affiliates from. CPA Lead and Warrior Plus are especially very helpful because you're going to be able to get affiliates instantly. On Warrior Plus, all you have to do is request approval, and most of the time you're going to get your approval and you can start promoting your affiliate. So I've logged on to my Warrior Plus account, and if I go on to my approved only requests, you can see I have quite a few that have been approved that have pretty good conversion rates as well. And you can see this has like a 28% conversion rate with a refund rate of 5%. So even if I minus the 5% out of my conversion rate, it's still like above 20%. So this is like a great affiliate that you can get started with and you can start promoting on Facebook. Now, what are the strategies that you are going to apply while using Facebook to promote your affiliates? Well, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to create a Facebook account, and then obviously if you have a Facebook account, that's well and good, but you can create like a separate Facebook account just for your affiliates. I would recommend doing that because if you're using your personal account, it might get a bit too congested. But after you have created your Facebook account, one way to promote your affiliates is by creating a Facebook page. So to do that, you're going to click on your account over here, and you can see you have your account section, and then over here you have your menu button. So you're going to click on your menu button, and then you're just going to click on page over here, and then you can create your page. So you're going to add your page name, your category, and the description of your page. So this is a InstaPays, and what this affiliate really is. So let's see what kind of affiliate we have over here. So it's a software, and what we're going to do, we're going to take a look at the product, and we're going to just see what kind of InstaPays this is. So this is just like a software, and what I can do is, instead of like creating like a separate page for this kind of affiliate, I don't like to create pages for a bit complex affiliates. I have this affiliate called How to Start a Consulting Business PLR. This is for like a PLR book. So what I can do is I can create a Facebook page called Consulting 101. So I could create like a page called that. I could mark this as educational consultant, and then I could write any description like how to grow and start a successful consulting business, like this, and I would just click on create page over here, and it's invalid. Okay, so I can't write a name in all caps, I'm sorry. So I'm gonna do Consulting 101, and now I'm just gonna click on create page over here, and I have like created like a couple of pages using this account, so Facebook might stop me because if I go onto my pages section over here, you can see I have 3 pages right around here. So depending on the kind of affiliate you get, you want to create your page accordingly and what you're gonna do after you have your page. So I have weight loss tips from a pro, and I also have the best tips to lose weight, and I take affiliates specifically for weight loss. So I like to go into my affiliate section on Warrior Plus, and what I like to do is I like to search for weight loss, and this is just my approved only. So I'm gonna go and search this in the all offers section, And then you can, you know, find specific kind of affiliates that match your page aesthetic to start promoting on Facebook. So what you're going to do is you're going to create your page, and then you can create different posts talking about the affiliate, or talking about if it's a product or if it's a digital service. Like I could start talking about how I read this PLR book and it helped me create my business, and I could just create a post about that, what we're about or what the product is about. And then you're just going to start, like, this page is going to just be focusing on the affiliates. Now, this is one of the basic ways that you can promote using Facebook. There is also another great way to promote on Facebook, which is Facebook groups. And this is actually the better way, in my personal opinion, to promote your affiliate. So what you're going to do is you're going to take any of your affiliates. So I'm going to go into my all offers section, into my approved only section in my affiliates, and I'm going to remove this keyword. I'm just gonna take a look at all of my approved offers. I'm gonna go on to my next page. Yeah, so I'm just gonna run with the example of, I have CryptoPays, I have InstaPays, I have UploadBucks. Let me just take a look at which one of these affiliates is the best performing. So this is like a membership kind of software where it's about how to become rich and successful. And so this is basically, all of these are like wellness kinds of softwares or courses. So what I would do is I would search for business women, and I would go into the group section over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to join multiple of these women entrepreneurs group or business women, you know, all of those groups that are about promoting wellness and promoting well-being and, you know, starting your own businesses and all that. So what I would do is I would go into any of these groups. I would just click on join group, and you can request for approval, and you can usually just get approval anyways. So I've just joined this group, and what you're going to do is you're going to go into this group and you're going to start posting and copying your affiliate link, and you're just going to be very genuine about it. You're not going to promote it like, oh, this is my affiliate link. You're going to write like a story. You're going to say like, oh, I started my business and I used this PLR book to help me find guidance. And then you're just going to make it sound like a very genuine, cute little story. You don't want to come off as you're promoting your own affiliate. So if we go on to the second group, we're going to apply this like the same kind of strategy. So I'm just going to go on to the discussion over here, and I can click on start discussion, and I can create a post. I haven't joined these groups, but I would recommend that you join these groups before you start promoting to seem more genuine. And I'm just going to, you know, I started my business journey in 2020, but now with the help of this book, I'm a successful whatever. So you can add like whatever story you want, and then after, you know, whatever story, you're just gonna copy and paste your affiliate link over here. Or if Facebook does not allow you to paste your affiliate link, because sometimes affiliate links get blocked on Facebook, what you're going to do is you're just going to take your affiliate link. So this is my affiliate link over here. I'm going to copy it. So this is the affiliate link that I have, and I'm going to go into my Facebook account and I'm going to check. So this is not getting blocked, so you can just click on paste over here and then just start promoting your affiliate link. And this is how easy it is for you to promote affiliate links on Facebook. And Facebook has amazing reach, and the best part is that when you promote your affiliates in these groups, you're getting direct audience. So these people are already interested in the thing that you're promoting, and then you're going to be more likely to get higher conversion and more clicks. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.